Welcome. If you want to set up a lock screen on your Doogee X100, for the first you have to move for the settings. And right now we have to go for the security and location. And here just tap on the screen lock. Currently we set up the swipe, so we can change it for the pattern. And right now we have to draw your pattern, click next and draw it one more time and click confirm. Here we get the option to manage notifications, but I'm going to skip this step. And now I'm just going to check our new lock method. And as you can see right now, we have to input our pattern. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.